Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing good and doing great and keeping safe at home. So today we are coming back to our lessons of the second semester. I hope you are good and ready to study. My name is Teacher Freddy and I'll be taking you through our first topic of the semester, okay? And this is PRATOM 2, okay? So let's continue and see our topic of today. Our topic of today is all about on the farm. Okay, we are going to study about farm animals. So that is our unit 4 lesson 1. Okay, good. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson and be ready to ask any question if you don't understand anywhere. So you're going to proceed straight into our lesson by having a warm-up song. And here we go.
Moo.
Quack, quack. Oink, oink.
Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? A cow, a cow, a dog, a dog, a duck, a duck, a horse, a horse, a pig, a pig, a sheep, a sheep. That's what you see. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you hear? A cow, a dog,
Quack, quack, quack.
a duck, a horse,
Oink, oink, oink.
a pig,
Bah.
a sheep. That's what you hear. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? Let's take a walk, 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 let's take a walk. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, dog.
Quack, quack, quack.
Goodbye, duck. Goodbye, horse.
Oink, oink, oink.
Goodbye, pig.
Bah.
Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, elephant. Elephant? On the farm?
Okay, now I hope you enjoyed the song and you liked it. So we are going to proceed into our lesson of today. So as I had said earlier, our topic of today is on the farm. We are going to study about farm animals. So I'm going to show you a picture in this slide. I want you to look at these animals and kindly tell me which animal do you know. Do you know any of the animals in the picture, please? So let's say, for example, which animal do you think is this one? Who can try to guess, please? Okay, yes, you. Can you try? Again? Horse. Okay, very good. So this animal is horse. Okay, very good. Now let me look another animal. What about this one? Which animal do you think is this one? Yes, Pim, can you try? Okay, which animal? Rabbit? No. Does it look like a rabbit? Can you try again? Rat. Okay, very good. So this animal is rat. A rat. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next one and see. Who want to try? Kwan, you want to try? Okay, can you try, please? Okay, what about this one? Which animal is this? Which animal is this? Sheep. Okay, very good. Clap for yourself. So this one is sheep. Okay, very good. Now, next one. Next one. This one. Okay. Which animal do you think is this? Who can try? Oh, yes. Chicken? Yeah, you're not wrong. Chicken, but we call it hen. Hen. Okay, very good. And the last one, very easy one. You can see there it is swimming. Which animal do you think it is? Can you try? Oh, very good. So this one is duck. Can you say it again? Duck. Okay, very good. Clap for yourself, good students. Now we are going to continue. I want to play the audio. Kindly listen and point. Okay? You're going to listen and point. Now here we go.
Smile 2, Unit 4, On the Farm.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
Horse, rat, sheep, hen, duck.
Okay, very good. I'm going to play again one more time.
Smile 2, Unit 4, On the Farm.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
Horse,
Horse,
rat,
rat,
sheep,
sheep,
hen,
hen,
duck.
duck. Okay, very good. So those are the farm animals that we are going to study about today. There are 5 of them. 5 of them. So let's proceed and look at the next slide. Okay, now here we go. So these are the farm animals. So who can try and tell me which animal is this one? Which animal is this one? This one is... Okay, very good. We have just said previously. This one is rat. Rat. Can you spell rat, please? R-A-T. Rat. Again, rat. Very good. Next one. This one. Which animal do you think is this? Okay, very good. So this one is sheep. Sheep. Can you spell the word sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep. Very good. And this one? What animal do you think it is? Horse. Okay, very good. So this one is a horse. Horse. Can you spell the word horse? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse. Very good. Next one. Which animal do you think is this one? Chick? No, it's not a chick. Okay, very good team. This one is duck. Duck. Can you spell the word duck? D-U-C. C K. Duck. Duck. Very good. And the last one? Oh, I know this one is very easy for you guys. You know it. And this one is hen. Hen. Can you spell the word hen? H E N. Hen. Hen. Very good. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play for you the audio. Kindly listen, point and say. Kindly listen, point and say. So here we go. So listen carefully, please.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Exercise 2. Listen, point and say.
rat, sheep, horse, duck, hen.
Okay, very good. I'm going to repeat one more time. Now listen, point and say. Okay, good. So here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Exercise 2. Listen, point and say.
Rat,
Rat.
sheep,
Sheep.
horse,
Horse.
duck,
Duck.
hen.
Hen. Okay, very good. Clap for yourself. Well done. That's very good. Okay, so we are going to proceed to the next slide. And here we go. We are going to look at animals one by one. So here we are going to start. So look at this. What animal is this? Rat. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Very good. Next one. This one is still a rat. As you can see now, this one is a clear picture. And I have tried to write also for you in Thai. So this one is rat. Very good. Next one. Who can tell me? Oh, very good. So this one is sheep. Sheep. Can you spell the word sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep. Very good. Then I'm going to show you another picture of a sheep. Okay, so here we go. Look at this. So this one is still sheep. Sheep. Very good. Next one. Which animal do you think is this? Horse. Okay, very good. So this one is a horse. And now here we have it in Pasa Thai. In Thai, you can be able to tell. So can we spell the word horse? H O R S E. Horse. Horse. Okay, very good. So I'm going to show you another picture of a horse. And here it is. So this one is also a picture of a horse. Horse. Very good. Next one. Which animal? Oh, very good. This one is duck. Duck. D U C K. One more time. Can you spell again the word duck? D U C K. Duck. Duck. Very good. So I'm going to show you the next picture of a duck. Again, you can see the picture of a duck. It's swimming. The duck is swimming. Next one and the last one. This one is hen. Hen. Can you spell the word hen? H E N. Hen. Hen. Okay, very good. And I'm going to show you another picture of a hen also, so that you can be able to see it clearly. And here it is. Very good. So this one is hen or a hen. Very good. So now we are going to proceed And look the next slide.
Smile and learn.
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about farm animals! It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow! Cow! I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow! I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse! Horse! Horses are really fast. Horse! Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep! Sheep! This sheep is so soft. Sheep! Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen! Hen! Hens lay eggs. Hen! Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit! Rabbit! I love rabbit ears. Rabbit! There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there, it's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them? Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hen. Rabbit. Donkey. Goat. Dog. Duck. Cat. Oops, it's getting late. I'm heading back home to make it for dinner. See you around.
Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it! Download Smile and Learn on your mobile, tablet, or PC.
Okay, now in this slide, we are going to learn on what animals can do and what animals cannot do. Okay, so we are going to start from here. I'm going to try and help you look at the picture and tell me which animal is this and what is it doing. Okay, now before I play the audio, you listen, point, and say. I'm going to take you through. Now here we go. Look at this. We have, which animal is this, please? Which animal is this? This one is rat. So we say this one is a rat. So we say this is a rat. It can dig. This is a rat. It can dig. Okay, as you can see, it's digging here. Okay, next one. Which animal is this? This one is a horse. So we say this is a horse. It can run. This is a horse. It can run. Very good. Then the third one, we have sheep. Which animal is this? Sheep. So this animal is a sheep. This is a sheep. It can jump. It can jump. Okay. The fourth one, this one. Which animal is this? Who can try and tell me? Oh, very good. This one is a cat. Cat. So this is a cat. It can climb. It can climb. Okay, very good. And the last one, which animal is this? Duck. This one is a duck. So we say, this is a duck. It can swim. This is a duck. It can swim. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to play the audio. Kindly listen, point, and say. So for example, we are going to start like with number 1, whereby we are going to say, this is a rat. It can dig. Okay? This is a rat. It can dig. So here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Exercise 3. Listen, point, and say.
This is a rat. It can dig. This is a horse. It can run. This is a sheep. It can jump.
This is a sheep. It can
This
jump.
is a cat. It can climb.
This is a cat. It can climb.
This is a duck. It can swim.
This is a duck. It can swim. Okay, very good.
Say it.
Okay.
Hen. Horse.
Okay, good. So these are the farm animals and what they can do. So we are going to proceed in the next slide. Okay, and now we are going to sing a song and you are going to sing along with me. So here we go. I'm going to play the song. So look at it and sing along with me. Okay, here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Exercise 4. Listen and sing.
What can you do? Can you dig? No, I can't. Can you run? Yes, I can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you climb? No, I can't. Can you jump? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Hey!
Okay, very good. One more time. We are going again to do the same song in the next slide. And here we go. So there is it.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Exercise 4. Listen and sing.
What can
What
you
can
do?
do?
Can you dig? No, I can't. Can you run? Yes, I can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you climb? No, I can't. Can you jump? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Hey!
Okay, very good. Now, those are our songs of today. And it brings us to almost the end of our lesson. So, okay, that is a good job. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you liked it. So next time we are going to learn more about the farm animals and what they can do and what they cannot do. But for today, that's the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and goodbye. See you next lesson. Take care.